Today, I'm going to talk you through another 3 common barista mistakes that I see that are super cringeworthy. Stick around, I'll talk you through them. Hey guys, welcome back to the Artistic YouTube channel where we guide you through all things coffee. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and like this video so that you see all our future videos. So today I'm following up off the back of another video that we did, which was 3 common barista mistakes that we see that we just cringe every time we see them, and it's been a really popular video. Thanks to everyone that put the comments below. We read them all, we replied to heaps of them, and we've put this video together off the back of that one. So be sure to put more comments below on this one because we might just keep going, because these are moments that everyone is hating seeing in their cafes. And I've got to kick it off with the one that hit everyone the hardest, and that is seeing a dirty steam on in a cafe. It's just the worst. You walk into a cafe, you just sit down to have your coffee and you look at that barista's coffee machine and you can just see that milk just caked on there. And you know that milk is just old and it's just been there for days. And you are just dreading the flavor and just the experience of that coffee. So for starters, there's a couple of quick tricks that you can just make sure that you're not doing that. Aside from just daily cleaning, it's more about back-to-back moments where you're just wiping that steam on after every time you use it. Do a little purge. Easy. Doesn't have to be disgusting. All right, and the second thing we've got to call out for so many places is people are still using a spoon, and it's killing me and it's killing everyone else. You can't use a spoon anymore, it's done. We're done with the spoon. So no more flat whites or cappuccinos chosen with a spoon. They need to be done at the steaming and the texturing the milk. So throw away the spoons. That just got me in the head.
I'm going to slow that right down.
Ow. All right, and number 3, the last thing you can't do. We've spent heaps of time on this, training people how to do milk and steam their milk and get their jugs in the right position. And we still see people grab their milk jugs and they're sitting them on there and they're hanging their jugs. And we're not getting any good technique, and they're walking away, go do something, put a shot on, and you can hear it, it's killing me. You can't hang your jugs because you're gonna wreck the position of your milk, and you're just not focusing on your milk. You can't be thinking about your texturing, your temperature or anything. So positioning's huge, and doing that, leaving and walking away from your milk, it's just a no-go. So if you've got a colleague that's not cleaning their steam wand, they're doing bad technique on their milk hanging, or they're still using a spoon, call them out, send them this video. We had heaps of people stoked on the last video that they were finally able to call their other colleagues out, so be sure to do that. Feel free to share this video, put your comments in below, because we might keep making these videos if you've got more cringeworthy moments that you see in cafes. So if you like this video, there's heaps more like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you see all the future videos as quickly as possible. We're loving the community that we're building, and we love to have you involved. So I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.